Alright, this is part F, I should have put in there. The last one in this question. One, the domain, well the domain is just x greater than 0. There's no horizontal translation in this one. And the range is just any value of y. Well, asymptote, vertical asymptote is the y-axis, so that's just when x is equal to 0. Right, x-axis intercept is just when y is equal to 0, so that's when 1 minus 2 log to base 2 of x is equal to 0. That gives us 2 log to the base 2 of x equals 1. So dividing by 2, we get the log to base 2 of x equals a half. And that gives us x equals 2 to the half, which is root 2. So the x-axis intercept is at root 2, and there is no y-axis intercept because x must be greater than 0. So we can't have x equal to 0, no y-axis intercept. Alright, so we've got to sketch this one. We've got a vertical asymptote, which is the y-axis, x-axis intercept at root 2, 0. Now let's just look at general shape of this and where it's going to go. The normal log would look like that. This one is reflected in the x-axis, so it's going to be upside down. It's going to be like that. And then it's got a vertical translation of 1 unit, so it's going to be up a bit. But it also has what we're calling a dilation of 2. So we'll talk more about that back in class. We'll show you with Desmos what that does. Alright, so let's mark, all we can do is mark in the x-axis intercept at somewhere, root 2, and sketch it in. Something like that. Alright, just to finish part 4, when fx equals minus 1, that sets up this equation. Rearranging that gives us 2 times the log to base 2 of x is going to be equal to 2. So therefore the log to base 2 of x will be equal to 1. And that gives us x equals 2 to the 1, which of course is just 2. So it passes through this point 2 minus 1. Somewhere maybe around here.